What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aspen in case you guys are new, and if you are new, what is up? My name is Aspen. Did I say that already? I don't know. Anyways, today is the perfect video for you to stop on if you guys are new, and if you aren't new, you just get to learn more about me because today I'm going to be sharing 70 facts about myself. That is a lot of things you're about to learn about me, and I know you don't know any of this. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight on into the video because like I said, 70 facts, that's a lot. So if you guys are new, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you guys like what I'm doing here on my channel, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Let me know if you like this video. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just get into the facts, get into more stuff about me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just read them on my phone. I have literally a list. Oh, it's very overexposed, but I have a whole list of facts about me on my phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and just read them. I'm gonna be 20 years old in 5 months. I used to make videos my freshman year of high school. I graduated in 2016, but if you guys want me to do like a reacting to those videos video, let me know. I live in the good old hot old state of Texas. I am a Glossier rep, which recently just happened. I'm so freaking excited. I will have my Glossier link down below so you can save 20% off and free shipping off of your first order that's $30 or more. Check out Glossier. If I could live off potatoes, I would. I freaking love potatoes. I love carbs. I'm a carb gal. Elizabeth is my middle name, not my last name. I know I fooled y'all. I've always wanted glasses, but I just have to settle for fake ones because I have perfect vision. My favorite Disney movie is Peter Pan. I have 2 best friends. One I've been friends with for like 15 years. I'm pretty sure we've been best friends since we were 3 years old. Her name's Allie. What's up, girl? And then y'all know Des. She's my BFF for life. I had a Care Bear collection when I was in kindergarten. I have pluviophobia, but I'm a pluviophile. So I have a fear of being rained on, but I love being inside when it's raining. I want to live in New York for at least a year of my life. Also LA for at least a year of my life. My biggest pet peeve is when people ask me questions that they already know the answer to. My gosh. I got my first dog my sophomore year of high school. I've never had a dog before and now I have 2. My favorite colors are yellow and black. Yellow because it just makes me happy, and black is more of like my aesthetic color, like my aesthetically pleasing color, and green. I love plants. I've always wanted to visit Nashville, Tennessee. I'm going to Coachella weekend 1 with Des. I'm so excited. We just need to find an Airbnb because like they're all gone, so I might not even be going if we can't find a freaking place to stay. I'm always cold. I used to get severely bullied in middle school. I want to do a whole video on this, so subscribe if you want to hear how I got bullied. I love sunflowers. They are so pretty, and they're yellow. Come on. I have trypophobia, which is a fear of holes. Sour Patch watermelons are my favorite candy on this planet Earth. I used to love sweet tart ropes, but I'm vegan. I can't eat them, so. My favorite fruit is grapes, green or purple. I don't have a preference. I've always wanted dimples. I used to smile so hard and like create a dimple, but I don't have real dimples. Giraffes are my favorite animal. I love giraffes. I even have a sweater with a giraffe on it. I haven't been in a real relationship for 4 years, guys. If you're a boy and you think I'm attractive, hit me up, okay? It's been a hot minute. I hate calling or FaceTiming people. I want to be an interior designer when I grow up. Mr. Kate is my inspiration. My goodness, I love her. Literally, if she could hear me saying this, Mr. Kate, I love you. The one non-vegan food that I miss eating the most is hot Cheetos. And I used to put my hot Cheetos in the fridge. Trust me, guys, if you've tried eating cold hot Cheetos, sounds contradicting, but they taste so much better cold. I used to be on a drill team. I got kicked off. We're not going to go into details. The one continent, I think it's continent, that I want to visit the most is Australia. Like before I die, I have to go to Australia. I used to play soccer. That is why I have big ol' calves, big ol' soccer legs. I used to lie to my mom all the time in high school about going to parties. I haven't followed like any of my New Year's resolutions. I was so excited for my New Year's resolutions and I'm just failing life right now. I hate feet. My favorite YouTuber or YouTubers are Danielle Carolyn and Kaylin Nicholson. I'm doing a Vlogmas this year. I'm so excited, guys. I've always wanted to do Vlogmas. I am 5'4". I'm a shorty. I pick up my skin, that's why I have a lot of acne scarring. Just don't mind that. I can read people. I can read people's emotions. Like, I'm just like really good at like reading people, if that makes any sense. I'm obsessed with Chipotle. I love Chipotle. I always wanted to do powerlifting in high school. I just really want a boyfriend so I can film the boyfriend tag. So again, if you're attractive, you think I'm attractive, hit me up so you can be in one of my YouTube videos. Like, wouldn't that be cool? My favorite seasons are fall and winter. I love the style, the weather, the aesthetic. Like, come on. I know all the words to Look at Me Now. Wow, that was intense. I'm not friends with anyone I used to go to high school with. I spend roughly about $80 a month on Starbucks. I have an addiction. I always have to check the shower before I use the bathroom. I hate the feeling of popsicle sticks in my mouth. Oh my gosh, I get chills just thinking about it. I met Kehlani. She was so sweet. I met her, I think it was 3 years ago. Pretty sure it was 3 years ago at a G-Eazy concert. I want to own my own coffee shop that has a section that is a home decor store as well as like a little rack of clothing. I've always wanted a raspy voice. I just wish that my voice didn't sound like this and all nasally. I just wish I had a raspy voice. I'm a college dropout. If you haven't seen my college dropout video, I will have it in the cards up here, and I will link it down below if you guys are curious as to why I dropped out of college. I want a Saint Bernard, a Husky, and a King Charles Cavalier. I already have one, but I want one of my own. My favorite album at the moment is Control. Are you kidding? That shit goes hard. My favorite movie, y'all are gonna judge the F out of me for this, but I just have to say it's the Twilight Saga or World War Z. I've read 6 books so far this year. My goal was to read at 12, so I'm almost done. I have 5 months left. I never get sick. I just have allergies, but I never get sick. My favorite show, I think, of all time is Grey's Anatomy. I only sleep on one side of my bed. I don't sleep in the middle. I don't sleep on the other side. I always have to sleep on one side of my bed, and I always have to face the left. I used to have my nose pierced. It was on this side, but I took it out because I just didn't like it. I want to change the spelling of my name. Everybody thinks that I shouldn't, but I personally want to. I want it spelled with a Y. I think Aspen Ovard's name looks so much prettier than mine. We have the same freaking name, so I want to change the spelling of my name. I probably won't ever do it, but I'm mixed. I'm mixed with white and African American. But a lot of people think that I'm either Hispanic or Native American, but nope, I am white and black. I love Fiji water. I didn't know what I was missing until I took my first sip of Fiji water, and yeah, I know it's pretty bougie, but I walk really fast. Like, I have really short legs, but I can book it. I've met 2 YouTubers in my existence. I met Daisy Marquez and Salt. They're like best friends. I met them at the same exact time. I stopped drinking soda 3 years ago. It may be 4 years, but like I'm really bad at math, so. And the last fact is I've always wanted to be a YouTuber. I started making YouTube videos my freshman year and then stopped because people made fun of me, and now I'm here again. I'm back, but I'm not here to do it to be famous. I just love talking to my freaking camera. So that's about it, y'all. Those are my 70 facts about myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun just, you know, telling you guys weird, awkward things about me. I think it's cool. You just got to know a little side of me you probably never thought you would have known. But that is going to be it for this video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!